Hello. Artcam 2012.18 Egitim Satind al Tinside Durst We continue with the remaining comics in the model menu. Su and model menu sund mirror model vertical. Rotate model clockwise. And rotate model anti-clockwise. These are the images of our current white screen, that is, the ones we are working on. Comics that allow our worksheet to be mirrored and rotated. Let's say we have any shape on our page. Biz sekli dejal da sefeye nalamak istiyoruz. To mirror the page, use Mirror Model Horizontal. Sesanini agar tikliakak olursak yate olarak safamiz analanmis. It will happen. I click. Here you can see that the page is mirrored horizontally. You will notice it because it moves to the other side. The other option is the Mirror Model Vertically option. Daiki olarak analanmasini saglaya kakter safanin. I move the shape down a little bit to adjust it to this as well. I click here too and the page is mirrored on the vertical axis. We see. The other option is rotate model clockwise. Rotated, meaning that it rotates clockwise. When I click here, it moves clockwise, that is, in this direction of the page. We will see it return. Again, I see that my 0 point is the bottom left corner. Digger sesanek de rotate model anticlockwise sesinii. When I click on this, it rotates counterclockwise. Alakakter. As you can see, it rotated counterclockwise. Happened. The other option right next to it is the Create Grayscale option. When I click on it, it brings the page to grayscale form. This comes to mean. You can find any model on our three-dimensional page here. Instead of that model on our two-dimensional screen. It allows us to see easily. So, without looking here, you can directly see the model on the page. You can see where you've come and tell where you came from. We can determine the location of the model by drawing grayscale form. From the provincial part to grayscale. In addition, there is a lighting material option. I will explain it in the next 7th lesson. Here, the increase rate import digitata option is combed from outside tight where combed. Opening the files and importing them into Artcam. Provides. When we click on the Loatata option, it tightens the triangle. Extension files, i.e. in this extension. Opening files and placing them in Artcam. A dwelling with space. That's all I understand about this model. See you in the next lesson with the lighting material. Goodbye.